Welcome to the tutorial GUI with Python. In the last video we have had a closer look on the entry widget and the method get, and in this video we introduce the method delete and insert. And I think it's clear what they will do. So we go back to our program. Just here. Sorry, I'm not prepared. Well, just now. Okay, if I like to have a predefined text in the entry widget, I can do it by giving a text attribute like hello world. And if we start the application, well, actually you don't see anything. Well, that's pretty weird. It doesn't work, so we can do it in another way. We can say entry widget insert, and we take the first parameter is the position, so we want to place it at the very beginning, and hello world, for example, and so we can, well, just now you see we have a predefined content and it says hello world. So if you type in another position, like for example 5, let's have a look on it, what it does. And it does nothing special or nothing else because we don't have a position 5 till then. So but we will have a look if we have typed something in it, and then we use the insert method for position 5 or position 0. Okay, let's have a look. So the first thing I like to do is to have another command. Command is equal to change content. And we have to define this def change content. So, and entry 1 insert 3 at position 3 hello world, and that's it. We don't want to do anything else. So, and we have given it to the 4th button. So actually remark that I have changed the text so we can see it, see better what the buttons do. So have another look. So for example, just now the content field is empty, and if I use it, it will display empty string, which means it is really short. So, and I like to say it is cold in Berlin. And have a look when we insert something with a change button. So it's just cutting the string and put the new string in it. It doesn't delete anything. So if I display it, well, it's pretty weird. It hello world is cold in Berlin. Yes. So I don't like to have this. So we have another method, the delete method, So when we delete something, delete, well, okay, from the 3rd to the 7th position, which shouldn't do it, but I like to show you what it does. So it is cold in Berlin. Well, and I change it. So, and you see it deletes the is word and the first letter of cold, but it's still weird. It, hello world, old in Berlin. Well, I like to have it in another way. I delete everything, and I can do this by changing the first position to 0, which is actually the first position. And the second position, we have a constant variable you can't change, and it's called end, and it's the last position of the widget, and it changes when you change the content of the widget. It's actually the length of the whole string of the content. Well, okay, and let's see what it does. For example, it is cold in Berlin. I like to go to Florida. I like to have it, and you see the whole text is displayed like we're used to, and I change this, and it's changed, and you see the former sentence were deleted, and the new content is now in the widget, but it hasn't changed the label widget. We can change it just now. So if you like to change the label widget, you have to copy, or for example you can say get content, so you can use the other function to change the content. Okay, let's have a last look on it. It is cold in Berlin, so we change the label. We can get the content and change the label. So we change the content of the entry widget, and you see just now the content of the label has changed too. Okay, these are the 3 important methods for the entry widget. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then give me a thumb up, and we see us in the next video. And I like to introduce the list box widget, and we have a little project which goes a little bit beyond the GUI methods and the GUI widgets. So see you.